Hello guys, welcome to our new class. Our new class title is Role of Project Management. Uh, these all of these classes related to business and presented by Akmal Khan. So what do we have here in the class of project management? What is a project? First we have to know what is a project. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to produce a unique product or service. This is all about to produce a unique product or service for any individuals or for government. So this is pretty much simple as you see in the definition. So we find out here what the project is, and none of the project goes for ever. Like every project is for temporary, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, but it still has got an end. Okay, what is here? Temporary and characteristic of project, and it might be unique. Okay, temporary definition, definitive, beginning and end. This is temporary definition, and unique, new undertaken, unfamiliar ground. So this is the definition of unique, new undertaken, and unfamiliar ground. Project success, customer requirement satisfied, exceeded. So when does the project we consider as success? Customer requirement satisfied or exceeded, completed within allocated time frame. Yeah, if we finish our project in our scheduled timing, not more than that and not before that. So it's called a successful project. Completed within allocated budget. Yeah, the budget also must be allocated. Like it shouldn't be exceeded from the allocated um, budget, not should be less than that. And what is the fourth and last one? Accepted by the customer. Yeah, the most important thing, the customer must accept that project, the project that you have completed. It must be acceptable by the customers. Project failure. What is in project failure? Scope creep. This is the project failure. For requirements gathering. This one is also project failure. Unrealistic planning and scheduling. Yeah, if the planning is also unrealistic and unscheduled, the project is in failure. Lack of resources. The resources, when the resources get lacked, so the project goes to failure. What is project management? Project management is the application of skills, knowledge, tools, and techniques to meet the needs and expectations of stakeholders for a project. The purpose of project management is prediction and prevention, not recognition and reaction. Key areas of project management: scope management, issue management, cost management, quality management, communication management, risk management, change control management. All of these uh, headings or titles are key areas of project management. Scope management. Primarily, It is the definition and control of what is and is not included in the project. Yeah, this is like a playground for the kids, and you can see this is also a project, and this one is also. So, which one you guys like the most? It depends on you. Issue management. Issue are restraints to accomplish the deliverables of the project, typical identified throughout the project and logged and tracked through resolution. Issue already impacting the cost, time, or quality. Cost management. The process is required to ensure the project is completed within the approved budget and includes resources, people, equipment, materials, quantities, and budget. Quality management. Quality management is the process that ensure the project will meet the ends. This is like quality management. What happens in quality management? It ensures that the project will meet the needs. Communication management. The process is necessary to ensure timely and appropriate generation, collection, dissemination, and storage of project information. This is like the management of communication, how to manage the communication to act faster and quicker, and it shouldn't uh, make pauses to our project. Risk management. What is management? Risk identification and mitigation strategy, risk update and tracking, risk potential negative impact to project, three location, accessibility, ownership, weather, change control management. Define how changes to the project scope will be executed. Change control management. Define how changes to the project scope will be executed. Scope change, schedule changes, technical specification changes. All changes require collaboration and buy-in via the project sponsor signature prior to implementation of the changes. Role of a project management. Project issues. Again, project issues, disseminating project information, mitigating project risk, quality management scope, managing the overall work plan. What's here? Implementing standard processes, establishing leadership skills, setting expectations, team building, communicator skills, and here process responsibilities, and here is people's responsibilities. Project team roles and responsibility. Project team roles and responsibilities. What are their roles and responsibility? General functions, identify product alternatives, complete the project within budgeted cost, schedule and quality requirements, support project planning and control, participate in identifying and mitigating and monitoring project risks. project initiation. What is project initiation? Provide estimates for product deliverables, review customers' requirements for feasibility and availability resources, analyzing requirements for clarity, unambiguous uh, completeness and consistency, project planning, develop technical approach, participate in the development of the project plan, identify tool needed for project, identify staff training needs. Okay, that's it. This was our class about the role of project management. Hope you guys have learned something from this, and this may help in your business classes or H&D classes. And this course is specially designed for H&D students. Thank you. See you.